What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be replacing the turn signal housings in my '02 Silverado with some cleared lens ones, and then I'm going to be doing switchback LEDs for the turn signals and turning the daytime running lights into turn signals as well. So stay tuned and watch this video. So this is what we got right now. Factory housings with the amber on them. And we're just going to be replacing them with these cleared ones. And then both this socket and this socket will both be turn signal, whereas right now just this one is a turn signal. So that whole thing is going to be a turn signal now instead of just the one. Okay, so this is everything I have to get this done today. We have some butt connectors, we have heat shrink, and then we have two of these 3-wire turn signal sockets. So you're going to be replacing the daytime running light socket with these turn signal sockets. And then we have 4 switchback LEDs, amber and white, 31, 51, 57 switchback. And then we have 2 resistors. And all of my LEDs and resistors and everything I get from superbrightled.com. So yeah, this is what we're going to be installing today. Okay, so this is how these come out. This is your daytime running light. It only has 2 wires on it. It doesn't have a turn signal wire to it. So your turn signal bulb socket will have 3 wires to it. You got a green, a black, and a blue. Alright, so this harness, this whole harness, we're going to be tying another socket, 3-wire socket, into this harness. So then we'll have 2 of these 3-wire sockets. So this will no longer be used at all. Okay, so now you got your new turn signal socket, 3-wire, right? And when you cut these wires off the old socket, you have to make sure that you face the sockets the same way. You don't want one facing up like that and one facing down like this and then try to match them up. You want them facing the same way, and then your right side is going to go to the right side wire, your middle is going to go to the middle wire, your left is going to go to the left wire. All right, but then when you put your resistor in, you have to go from the turn signal wire to the ground wire. I'll show you guys that when we get there. But these sockets, you just line them up from left to right. All right, so this is how this is supposed to look. You got your resistor here. You got one side going to your blue wire. You got your brown wire here, nothing going to it. And then you got your black wire, your ground wire here. And the other side of your resistors going there. So from your black to your blue, your resistors run into. And then you got 2 bulbs here. All right, guys, so this is what we got. So we got both of these bulbs are now daytime running lights and turn signals. So I got the headlights, turn signal lights, and fog lights are all white now. So when I'm just driving straight down the road, whole front end's all white now. And I'll turn on the hazards so you guys can see what it looks like when it switches back. So I'll set you down. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you have any questions about the process that I showed you guys today, leave a question in the comments and I'll be sure to answer it. I want to thank you all for coming in to watch this video, and I'll see you next time.